Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, November the 5th. I wasn't able to get a video up the past 2 weeks. I've had a bit of a workload in college, so haven't been able to really focus on the videos. So I just went ahead and disregarded the footage from that, and I just restarted fresh for this week. So that way, none of the stuff that I show has been like sold out or anything. With that being said, this week we opened a lot of boxes, and let's get into this video.
You want to dance? You want to dance?
And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this channel. Everything that you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so be sure to go click on those links and check out those products. Once again, I just want to mention I apologize for no video the past 2 weeks. Like I said, I was a little busy with some college classes and stuff, but we're back at it again this week, so hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.